In this lesson, we will understand what is chaining in LangChain. We already saw how to interpret LangChain like lang plus chain. So let us see what is chaining. LangChain is a process to combine multiple components or steps into a sequence so that you can fulfill a specific task. Chaining is important so that you can mix and match components to ease the work of creating custom workflows, easily build systems that use context from previous steps like chat history. With that, you can also easily break down difficult tasks into smaller, easier steps with chaining. Here is a quick example of chaining in LangChain. Let's say you are building a RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation system. In this, what is the first step? That is retrieve. You can use a retriever to fetch relevant documents. Then the generate, pass the relevant documents and a question, that is a prompt asked to an LLM to generate an answer. And what will be the output? The answer will be returned to the user. So the sequence of steps we saw is a chain that combines retrieval and generation into a single workflow. So this is the concept of chaining. Chaining is like linking multiple components together to create a sequence of operations like document retrievers. So guys, we saw what is chaining in LangChain. Thank you for watching the video.